Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix MS Gaming Overlay Pop-Up Message on Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is click on search and we need to head into Registry Editor. Here it is here. Open it up and then click yes. Now inside Registry Editor. Now from here we need to expand the H key current user like so. Then expand the software folder and then scroll down and look for Microsoft and expand Microsoft. And then from here scroll down and expand the Windows folder like so. Then expand current version. Then inside here we need to find a folder called Game DVR, and that's it here. Click into that and now click on Game DVR, and then right at the top it's got a file called App Capture Enabled. Then double click onto it, and where it says value data, change it from 1 to 0 and then click OK. And now if you don't have this file inside here, what we can do is click on right click new, and then click on dword 32-bit value, and then type in, so I'm going to right click it, I'm going to rename it and call it App Capture Enabled, and then hit enter, and then we want to right click it or double click it, and then value data, set that to 0 and then click OK. Now once you've done that, that should remove any MS Gaming Overlay pop-up messages